Okay, I'm playing GTA 5 and I'm gonna show you guys my new car I just bought. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's one of the new cars from the business update. Pretty nice. We'll take it in on a ride. I don't have it fully upgraded, so it's not gonna go its full speed, but it's gonna go. Oh, you just scraped my car. How dare you? I should shoot you. It's a pretty nice car. It is. Let me see how much money it is. Um, 725,000. That's how much that car is. So yeah, pretty good car. Nice. Yeah. Oh, I got paid $2,000 for being keeping good behavior. So yeah, I'll show you some of my other cars. This Rebel, I don't need it no more, so I'm gonna sell it later because I was doing a money glitch with it. And then there's Jester over there. Here's my nice car that I just bought too. The what is it called? Enos Huntley, something like that. My Sand King, a little Mustang that I accidentally drove in here. Then Alpha, another car, forgot the name. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But just look at this car. Nice. Nice car.